Hi. Today I will show you the way to turn on dark mode on Opera Mini browser easily. So, on Opera browser, you can see that the Duolingo site is totally white and it causes problems to the eyes of the learners. Let's fix it. Go to Opera icon at top left corner. Go to Get Extensions. On the search, type Dark Theme for Websites. Now go to the first one, which is from Super Solution. Finally, click on Add to Opera. Now as you can see that the site has become dark totally, and it is no more irritating to the eyes at all. If you go through the site, you will find the dark version has been enabled in it.
Kennst du meinen Elefanten?
The lessons will look like this. Whenever you need, you can deactivate it, and can also remove it if you want. By this way you can simply add dark mode to Duolingo with Opera Mini browser easily. Hope you liked it and also subscribe to Joseph IT. Goodbye.